Good day, sir. Today I will be discussing the topic of coal mining, balancing energy and environmental impact. Coal has been a crucial energy source for many industries, but its extraction and use come with significant challenges. Introduction: Coal mining has been a cornerstone of industrial development, providing a vital source of energy for electricity generation, steel production, and various industries. However, its extraction and use come with significant environmental and economic consideration. While coal mining supports millions of jobs and contributes to global energy security, it also leads to habitat destruction, water pollution, and greenhouse gas emissions. Balancing the economic benefits of coal mining with the urgent need for environmental sustainability presents a complex challenge. This presentation explores the environmental impacts, economic impacts, and trade-offs involved in coal mining, highlighting the importance of responsible mining practices and the transition toward cleaner energy solution. Environmental impacts of coal mining. Coal mining significantly damages the environment by causing habitat loss, contaminating water through acid mine drainage, and emitting greenhouse gases. Surface mining removes vegetation and alters the landscape, which disrupt local wildlife. The resulting acid drainage pollutes nearby water bodies, threatening aquatic species, while burning coal releases high level of carbon dioxide that contribute to climate change. Sustainable mining practices are essential to mitigate these effects. First is habitat destruction, then water pollution, then the greenhouse gas emissions. Habitat destruction. Coal mining, especially surface mining, leads to the removal of vegetation, soil, and entire landscape to access coal deposits. This process destroys forests, grassland, and other ecosystems, displacing wildlife and reducing biodiversity. Once mining operations begin, the land is often left barren, making it difficult for natural habitats to recover. And second is water pollution. One of the most harmful effects of coal mining is acid mine drainage, when sulfide minerals in exposed rocks react with air and water. They produce sulfuric acid, which contaminates nearby rivers, lakes, and groundwater. This pollution makes water toxic for aquatic life and unsafe for human consumption. Additionally, mining operations often use large amounts of water for their straining local water resources. Then last is greenhouse, greenhouse gas emissions. Burning coal for energy release large amounts of carbon dioxide and methane, two major greenhouse gases responsible for climate change. Coal mining itself also emits methane, a gas that is significantly more potent than CO2 in trapping heat. This emission contribute to global warming, extreme weather conditions, and long-term environmental damage. Next is economic considerations in coal mining. Coal mining is essential for energy production and job creation, but it involves high production costs, including labor, equipment, and environmental compliance. Additionally, market demand of coal can fluctuate based on global energy trends and competition from renewable resources, affecting profitability. First is production cost, market demand, and revenue potential. Production costs. Coal mining requires significant financial investment, including expenses for labor, equipment, fuel, and environmental compliance. Open pit mining, while more efficient, can be expensive due to land exhibition and transportation costs. Underground mining, on the other hand, requires advanced safety measures and specialized machinery, increasing operational expenses. Additionally, companies must comply with environmental regulations, which add to the overall cost of production. Then second is market demand. The profitability of coal heavily on global energy trends in countries that still rely on coal for electricity generations and industrial production. Demands remains high. However, the rise of renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power has reduced coal's market share in some regions. Economic shifts, government policies, and environmental concerns influence coal demand, affecting the stability of the industry. Then last is revenue potential. Despite environmental concerns, coal mining continues to generate significant revenue. Many economies, especially in developing countries, rely on coal export as a major source of income. Additionally, coal is essential for industries such as steel and cement production, ensuring its continued demand. However, as global energy policies shift towards sustainability, mining companies must adapt to remain profitability in a changing market. Trade-offs in mine design. Designing a coal mine involves balancing environmental sustainability with economic performance. On one hand, aggressive mining methods can maximize ore extraction and reduce costs, but often lead to habitat destruction, water, pollution, and higher greenhouse gas emissions. On the other hand, implementing sustainability practices such as effective water management to prevent acid mine drainage and land reclamation helps protect ecosystem but may increase production costs and reduce short-term profitability. First is minimizing environmental impact. Reducing the environmental damage caused by coal mining requires sustainable practices such as land restoration, reducing deforestation, and implementing cleaner mining technologies. Some companies invest in forestation projects to restore mine areas, while others advance extraction techniques to minimize land disturbance. Sustainable mining also includes proper waste disposal and reducing emission to protect ecosystem. Then second is water management. Coal mining consumes large amount of water and often leads to acid mine drainage, which contaminates nearby rivers and groundwater. To address this, companies implement water treatment system that neutralize acidity before releasing water back into environment. Some mines also recycle water used in operations, reducing overall consumption and preventing water shortage in surrounding communities. Last is economic viability. Balancing sustainability with profitability is a major challenge for the coal industry, while adopting eco-friendly innovations and complying with environmental regulations increases operational costs. It can also enhance long-term profitability by avoiding fines, maintaining public trust, and securing future investments. Sustainable mining ensures that coal resources are extracted efficiently while minimizing long-term financial and environmental risk. Conclusion: coal mining has played a vital role in supporting industries and powering economies worldwide, but comes with significant environmental and economic challenges. While mining practices provide essential energy and employment, they also lead to habitat destruction, water pollution, and greenhouse gas emissions. The key to a sustainable future lies in balancing economic goals with environmental responsibility. By adopting cleaner practices, investing in innovative technologies, and properly managing environmental impacts, the coal industry can reduce harm while maintaining operations viability. Transitioning toward cleaner energy sources is crucial for a more sustainable and environmental responsible future. So that's all, sir. Thank you.